Open the tanker tutorial file, available for downloading at the ExpressMarine3D website. You'll see the tanker model, which includes shell and inner structure. In this video, we will review how tonnage volumes can be created and which volume and tonnage reports can be generated. Scroll down to the Volume Regions branch of the product tree and click on the light bulb next to it to turn on all objects in this branch. 2 volumes are already created in the project, aft and poop. Let us turn them off. The tonnage volumes contains gross and net tonnage branches. We will start with creating a volume in the gross tonnage branch. Select the GT branch in the tree and choose Add Volume command in the right button menu. Change the name of the volume to DH_level 1 and click on Rename button. Now we will select the DH_level 1 volume in the tree and set the properties. Change the color of the volume to blue. X limits will be frame -5 and frame 40. Limits in Y direction will be starboard and port side shells. Limits in the Z direction will be main deck and deckhouse level 1 deck. We will use limits defined above and we don't want to apply any transformation. Click on Generate button. To better see the defined volume, let us turn off the shell. Volumes can be copied from one branch to another. Select the DH level 1 volume just defined and click on Copy in the right button context menu. Now select the NT branch and click on Paste in the right button context menu. You will notice that the volume definition is copied to another branch and suffix _1 is added to the name. Right-click on the copied volume and choose Delete to remove the copy. Now we will create the cargo volume. Select NT branch in the tree and click on Add Volume in the right button context menu. Type cargo as a new name and click on Rename button. Select cargo volume in the tree. Change color of the volume to green. X limit we will set to frame 40 and frame 160. For the Y limits, we will use inner shell, consisting of several surfaces. These surfaces should be selected in the aft to forward and bottom to up directions. For the first starboard limit, we will select the bottom sloped part of the inner shell. Click small plus sign to add more Y limits. Then select the next forward surface. Click small plus sign to add more Y limits again. Select the midship vertical surface. Click small plus sign to add more Y limits once more. And, finally, select the upper sloped surface. Fill in the port side Y limit in the same sequence. For the Z limits, we will select the tank top and main deck. Use the default settings for use limits and transformation options. Click on Generate button. You will see the newly created volume in green. Select the tonnage volumes branch in the tree. Now we can create the volume and tonnage reports. Click on the Volume Report button. Position of the camera and text captions can be defined for the front and aft views. Also, we can set the precision, page orientation, and paper size. Select the folder where the report file will be saved and, optionally, change the name of the report. Click on Update Report button. Volume report will be generated and shown on the screen. Click onto PDF button to save the report as PDF file. Close the PDF file and then close the volume report window. Click on Tonnage Report button. Tonnage Report window will pop up. Here we can set the parameters of the report. In the first tab, we can select the company logo to be presented on the report. We can also choose the folder and report name. Switch to the General Particulars tab. Check the checkbox to include General Particulars page to the report. Fill in the general particulars. You can copy or paste them from another file as well. Switch to the Options tab. Here we can set the camera position, precision of the length and volume units, and paper size for the report. Switch back to the Report tab and click on Make PDF Report button. Review the resulting PDF file and close it. Close the Tonnage Report window.